From the dusty depths of the upper shelf in my closet came this copier paper box. I knew I had these, but I haven't looked at them in years. Once upon a time, I dreamed of owning a Mercedes, and I dove deeply into their history, their culture, and their little toy cars. Vitesse is a Portuguese company that began making 1/43rd scale models in 1982. Today I'll be looking at their version of the Mercedes 600 in both Pullman and Landaulet styles. What's a Landaulet, you ask? Well, it's a body style where only the rear passengers are covered by a convertible top. It's perfect for parades, street parties, dictators, and even popes. There are so many separate tiny little detail pieces here, especially the chromed parts of the exterior. So many things that could easily be broken or lost. The hood ornament, door-mounted mirrors, and the trunk-mounted antenna are just so delicate. I'm almost afraid to take it off the base, but it's just too irresistible. I know it's coming off the base, you know it's coming off the base, we all know that it's coming off the base. So maybe I should just find a screwdriver and get it over with. But like Willy Wonka said, the suspense is terrible. I hope it will last. This silver 600 is called the Pullman model. You know, like the really long passenger cars. It can seat at least 6 passengers and has 3 doors per side. Plenty of room for the captains of industry, or an entourage of political leaders, or maybe even bridal parties or proms. Who knows? I absolutely love these cars. The closer you look, the more you notice the attention to detail and the craftsmanship involved in making something this small and this beautiful. Sometimes I think about thinning out my collection, but I can't imagine ever parting with these models. A real Mercedes 600 is well beyond my means, but these are staying with me. Seeing them again has just completely renewed my interest in 1/43rd scale Mercedes. This is a slow little rendition of Beethoven's Ode to Joy. I wanted a big orchestral version like the one played when Hans Gruber finally opens the vault in the Christmas classic Die Hard. The Vitesse Mercedes 600 is like that song. Large, epic, powerful, and imposing in any color, but especially in black. Even when played by only 2 instruments. How great is this song? It'll still be popular 100 years from now, just like this video probably, which if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.